Are you ready to unlock the secrets to digital marketing success? We're diving into the world of small business marketing strategies for 2023. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey that will skyrocket your online presence, attract customers like never before. Stick around till the end, and I'll unveil the one strategy that can supercharge your business growth overnight. Number 1 is the power of targeted SEO. In this digital era, search engine optimization, SEO, is a non-negotiable aspect of any successful marketing strategy. But let me tell you a secret twist. Instead of targeting broad keywords, focus on long-tail keywords specific to your niche. By doing so, you'll attract highly motivated visitors who are more likely to convert into loyal customers. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity. Number 2 is harnessing the magic of video marketing. Now let's dive into a captivating and often underestimated digital marketing tool: videos. With platforms like YouTube and TikTok soaring in popularity, creating engaging video content has become crucial for small businesses. But here's where things get juicy. By incorporating storytelling techniques and leveraging the power of emotional connections, you'll capture the hearts and minds of your audience. Prepare for an avalanche of likes, shares, and skyrocketing brand awareness. Number 3 is the ace up your sleeve. Who doesn't love scrolling through their social media feeds? Small businesses can leverage the power of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to their advantage. But here's a surprising tip. Instead of spreading yourself thin across multiple platforms, choose a select few that align with your target audience. By focusing your efforts on the platforms where your customers hang out, you'll amplify your reach and engagement, ultimately leading to increased conversions. Number 4 is the rise of influencer collaborations. Are you ready for a jaw-dropping revelation? Influencer marketing is no longer exclusive to big-budget brands. Small businesses can harness the power of influencers to reach their target audience authentically. Seek out influencers who align with your brand's values and have a genuine connection with their followers. By partnering with them, you'll tap into their loyal fan base and generate buzz for your products or services. Number 5 is the untapped potential of voice search. Brace yourselves for a mind-blowing revelation. Voice search is the future of digital marketing. As smart speakers and virtual assistants become increasingly popular, optimizing your content for voice search is essential. Start by focusing on conversational keywords and natural language. By doing so, you'll position your business as a top choice when customers ask their voice-activated devices for recommendations. Number 6 is the game-changing technique: ad-powered chatbots. And now, it's time for the moment you've been waiting for: the game changer, AI-powered chatbots. These intelligent virtual assistants can revolutionize your customer service experience. Imagine providing 24/7 support, instantly responding to inquiries, and nurturing leads automatically. By implementing chatbots, you'll enhance customer satisfaction, save time, and boost conversions. This is the secret weapon that will leave your competitors trailing in the dust. Number 7 is mastering the art of content marketing. A world where your content reigns supreme and captivates your audience. That's the power of content marketing. In 2023, creating valuable and engaging content remains the key to success. But here's the twist. Infuse your content with storytelling techniques that tug at your viewers' heartstrings. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience, leaving them begging for more and eagerly sharing your content with the world. Number 8 is social media, your gateway to success. Brace yourself for a social media revelation that will forever change the game. Social media platforms are no longer just for cat videos and selfies. They are a goldmine for small businesses. But here's the secret sauce. Focus your efforts on the platforms where your target audience hangs out. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, pick your battles strategically and dominate your niche. Engage, interact, and watch your follower count skyrocket. Number 9 is embracing the magic of video advertising. Lights, camera, action. Video advertising is the silver bullet for small businesses in 2023. Videos capture attention, evoke emotions, and boost engagement like no other medium. But here's the catch. Keep it short, sweet, and captivating. Hook your viewers in the first few seconds and deliver your message with impact. Don't forget to optimize your videos for mobile devices, as more and more people are consuming content on the go. And there you have it, digital marketing warriors. The top strategies for small businesses to dominate the online landscape in 2023. Remember, It's all about staying ahead of the curve and adapting to the ever-changing digital world. So, go out there, implement these strategies, and watch your business soar to new heights of success. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tips and tricks on our channel. Until then, keep rocking the digital marketing game.